Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Lunar Classic video update for Tuesday 2nd of August. And we saw the pump yesterday and now we're back into the trap and we're falling right down where we're not supposed to be falling right now. And that is going to be this level right over here. You can see that this trend line is still not being held at the moment. So all you did is you just made the pump to the upside, came down, and you're now again closing below this level. Now that's not good. That is not really a good sign for anything at the moment, and it seems like you're going to actually make much more deeper retracement. So it seems like the inverse head and shoulder actually played out, and the effect of that inverse head and shoulder is not in play anymore. And instead what you're doing is you actually what happened yesterday is you did pump to the upside, came down, and you hold the retest here. But as soon as you hold the retest, you again fail, and now you're back into the box here. So the threat continues. The chances to actually go down again are actually there. So what I'm going to do is dive into the daily once again here, and as soon as diving into the daily time frame, we are now under this level. You can see there's a wick that actually took out the right shoulder, which is not a good thing. So this one right over here, or if I dive into that 4-hour time frame, it's going to be way more better and visible to tell you what's happening there. So here we are. Yep, so you can see that this all right shoulder right there was taken down by this wick down here. So there's a good chance that you actually continue to go down, but wicks are not good enough to say that the right shoulder is destroyed. Maybe that's the wick, and then you start to move higher, because I've actually noticed Lunar Classic making wicks and then moving up. For example, you made the wick here, then you moved up. You made the wick there, you moved up. You made a wick down here, you moved up. You make the wick down again, maybe perhaps move up again. You never know. All right, so what's next about the potential targets that I'm about to look for in this coin at the moment? So we do have this bottom to the top here for Fibonacci retracement level, and so far it seems like you are at the golden ratio right now. So you don't want to lose the golden ratio at the moment. You want to hold the golden ratio. Otherwise, if you don't actually hold the golden ratio, there's a good chance that you start to fizzle out again, and perhaps move even way more to this target. Who knows, $7,000. You can actually, not $7,000, but extracting the 0.000 and then 7,000 something. That's what I'm looking forward to. So it is what it is. I just want to actually dive into a different time frame as well and check this coin on a different time frame, like the daily. Now on a daily, we still are closing below this level, which is not a good thing. Last time you actually made the pump, but then again you failed to hold the retest. That's the issue that I have. You really must hold the retest of something. If you're not holding the retest of something, then that's actually meaningless. Okay, and it is meaningless, unfortunately. Okay, so it is what it is at this point of time. There's some sort of a line that is going to come in, so I'm going to actually extend this line right there. I'm going to stretch that one and stretch this one as well. So first of all, even if you were to fall down, then I just see this thing coming down to this level, which is going to be 9,087, bounce back from this place, go up like this, come down like that, go up like this, come down until the end of the month, and decide to push up or decide to come down again. So it is what it is. Let's see what happens. But you've actually failed to make the retest. Back testing has failed, so you're not gonna, I don't see yourself moving any higher. So this was it. The inverse head and shoulder played out, and the case was closed right there. It is what it is, but let's see what happens in the next coming few days. And that's it for today's update on Lunar Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.